Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub with
Shumaila Najam.
Yes, Shumaila and I, we've been making videos, but sometimes Shumaila vanishes from my channel, then again she comes back.
क्योंकि मेरा भी एक channel है.
Yeah, exactly. Garibni the channel Shumaila Najam. Okay, she's got 5 million subscribers. God. Yeah, in future she'll have them. Okay. Anyway, so जितने 1.5 million नहीं होते, 1.5 रुके ने की करिए डांग फेरांगे कोई ते फिर 1 million हो जाएंगे. Okay, Shumaila. So what's the question?
अच्छा, मेरा question असद ये है कि list of headings में answers किस तरीके से लिखने हैं?
All right, that's a very good question. Very recently, one of IELTS markers. You know, people know me, so they contact me. So one of IELTS markers, actual IELTS marker from, you know, I'm not going to tell you British Council or IDP. He contacted me, like, you know, I asked him few questions, and he told me that for list of headings, students do this silly mistake. I would not call it silly. I'm sorry, I'll call it stupid mistake. What do they do? You know, list of heading questions are given 16 paragraph A, you have to write heading. 17 paragraph B. What do? They write 16A, 17B on their answer sheet. Achha. Yeah, mind blowing. 16A, that is paragraph number. Paragraph A, you have to write the heading. So number one mistake is some students, those who do not, Ishmaila, there's another thing. Every student should know every type of questions in IELTS listening and reading. I mean, what is the type, how to do it, what to focus, how to write the answer, what is the best way to write the answer, all these things they should know. Now, if they don't know, then they're gonna mess around. So that what do you call it, marker told me this is a very common mistake for list of headings. Number one, whenever they give you list of headings, they use Roman numbers. You will see that, Shumaila. They never use English numbers, they use Roman numbers. So there are two types of Roman numbers, one capital, one small. And capital and small means you will use capital English letters and small English letters. If you want to write 2 in Roman number, you will write double I. The other day what happened, one of my students who appear in computer delivered IELTS, he was searching on the keyboard, where are the Roman numbers? Oh my God, he was searching and searching and searching. Then he called the invigilator in computer delivered, said, sir, Roman numbers. He said, look there, Kanna, A, B, C, D, these are Roman numbers. Now, for example, if you want to write 5 in Roman number, you will write V. If you want to write 3, you will write I. 3 times I. So capital I or small I, they are accepted, but you should not write English number 3. This is very important. See, in list of headings, students always find it confusing. They always have wrong answers. And with these chaval things, you know, chaval, yeah, when the chavala maarte ne na, us chavala de naal hor answers galat ho jande ne, satyanas ho janda hai. That's Punjabi I'm speaking. So, be careful. The first thing is, for list of headings, answers are the Roman numbers they are given. Right, they have given you the Roman numbers, and those Roman numbers represent the headings. So you should write Roman number. Second, you can write Roman numbers in capital or small. Third, you have the keyboard English letters A to Z. They are used for Roman numbers. Now Roman number 10. What is Roman number 10?
X.
वाह, कुड़ी ता बड़ा बाबा ते बड़ा जिंद जाने, कुड़ी ता बहुत सियानी निकली भाई, हाँ. So it's just like that. Be careful. And again, I tell you, focus every type of questions. Sometimes you get low bench score because of your silly mistakes. These are silly mistakes which you can avoid, and you can get good bench score, right?
हाँ जी.
मैं थक गई है.
अभी इनको मैं कॉफी पिलाने लगी
हूँ इसी खुशी
में, क्योंकि ये वो चीज़ है जो मैंने कभी सोची ही नहीं थी कि ऐसा भी हो सकता है.
Exactly. So guys, thank you very much. If you like this video, hit the like button, and let me tell you one thing. Our channel is going to hit 1 million very soon. If it has hit already 1 million, you can congratulate us. And if it is going to hit, you can subscribe us, right? All the best. I teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus in Lahore. Not here. This is Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and this area is Madian Valley in Swat. Swat is called the Switzerland of Pakistan, and this area Madian is in Swat. So I teach IELTS in Lahore. If you want to be the part of IELTS classes, you can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you best of luck from Madian Hotel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
खुदा हाफिज.